Oops, it slipped my mind, understanding this common English phrase. Hello everyone, and welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a very interesting English phrase. It slipped my mind. Have you ever forgotten something important and struggled to explain it? Well, this phrase is your go-to expression. And in this video, we're going to explore its meaning, usage, and some examples to help you understand how to use it in your daily conversations. Stay tuned to master this phrase. The phrase, "It slipped my mind," is used when you want to admit that you forgot something. It's a polite way to acknowledge a lapse in memory, without implying that it was intentional or due to negligence. The word, slipped, here is key, suggesting that the memory or thought was there but somehow escaped your attention, like something slipping through your fingers. This phrase can be used in both formal and informal settings, though it's more common in casual conversation. You might use it when apologizing for forgetting to do something, like sending an email or making a call, explaining why you missed an appointment or a meeting, admitting you forgot someone's name or a significant date like a birthday. It's a gentle way to say you forgot, indicating that you're aware of the oversight and are potentially apologetic about it. Let's see, it slipped my mind, in action with some examples. 1. Apologizing for a missed task. I'm so sorry I didn't call you back yesterday. It completely slipped my mind with all the work I had. 2. Forgetting an appointment. Was our meeting scheduled for today? It slipped my mind entirely. I thought it was next week. 3. Overlooking a social obligation. I forgot to wish you a happy birthday on the day. It just slipped my mind, and I feel terrible about it. These examples show how the phrase can be used to convey forgetfulness with a tone of regret or apology. If you're looking for different ways to express a similar sentiment, consider these phrases. I completely forgot. It went right out of my head. I overlooked it. I lost track of it. Each of these can be used interchangeably depending on the context and your personal style of communication. Remember, forgetting something is human, and saying, "It slipped my mind," is a polite and common way to acknowledge it. We hope this video has helped you understand how to use this phrase effectively in your English conversations. Don't forget to practice it, and, ironically, try not to let this phrase slip your mind. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more useful tips and lessons. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.